Hey there, fall lovers. If you're looking to transform your porch into the coziest spot this season, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some stunning fall porch decor ideas that will not only impress your guests, but also make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Ready to create that perfect autumn vibe? Let's dive in. How to create a cozy and inviting seating area on your fall porch. The first step to making your fall porch a true haven is to focus on the seating area. After all, what's better than enjoying a warm drink while surrounded by autumn beauty? First things first, comfort is key. Layer your seating area with plush cushions in warm, earthy tones. Think burnt orange, deep reds, and soft browns. Add a few throw blankets in chunky knits or faux fur to keep things cozy when the temperature drops. The more inviting your seating looks, the more likely you'll want to spend time there. Next, bring in some natural elements like a wooden bench or wicker chairs. They add that rustic, earthy feel that's perfect for fall. Top it off with a wooden coffee table and you're all set. Consider adding a soft rug underfoot to make the space even more welcoming. Don't forget to add personal touches. A few decorative pillows with autumn-themed prints like leaves or pumpkins can really bring the look together. Personalizing your space with these small details makes it feel uniquely yours. If you found these fall porch decor tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love decorating for the season too. Let's spread the fall vibes together. What are the best ways to decorate your porch with pumpkins and seasonal plants? Pumpkins and seasonal plants are the heart of fall decor, instantly adding color and character to your porch. Let's explore how you can make the most of these autumn staples. Pumpkins are a fall must-have. Create a layered look by placing pumpkins of different sizes and colors, white, orange, and even green, on your steps or along the sides of your porch. Stack them or mix in some hay bales for added height and texture. You can even carve a few for that classic Halloween vibe. Mums are your go-to flowers for fall. Their vibrant colors like yellow, orange, and burgundy can brighten up any space. Arrange them in rustic planters or even in hollowed-out pumpkins for a creative twist. For added variety, mix in ornamental cabbages or kale for a truly seasonal display. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know which fall decor idea was your favorite, or share your own porch decorating tips. Your ideas could inspire others. How can you use lighting to enhance your fall porch decor? As the days grow shorter, lighting becomes an essential part of your porch decor. The right lighting can transform your space from ordinary to magical. Lighting can make all the difference. Opt for warm-toned string lights or lanterns to create a cozy, inviting glow. Drape the string lights around railings or weave them through the branches of a nearby tree. This creates a soft, ambient light that feels both warm and festive. Add some gourds and cornstalks to fill in any gaps. They not only add texture, but also reinforce that classic fall aesthetic. You can even tie the corn stalks to porch columns or railings for a vertical element that draws the eye upward. Want even more inspiration? I've put together a full playlist of my best fall decor tips and DIY projects. Just click right on description and dive into the ultimate fall decorating guide. Place lanterns with LED candles along your steps or around your seating area. This not only lights up the space, but also adds to the ambiance. For an extra touch, use scented candles with autumn scents like cinnamon or pumpkin spice. If you have the space, consider adding a small fire pit. It's perfect for those chilly evenings and can be a great focal point for your porch. Plus, it's a great spot for roasting marshmallows and creating cozy memories with loved ones. What are some creative ways to incorporate fall-themed accessories into your porch decor? Accessories are the finishing touches that bring your fall porch decor together. They add personality and charm, making your porch a true reflection of the season. Don't miss out on more seasonal decorating tips and inspiration. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. Let's keep the creativity flowing all year long. Welcome your guests with a fall-themed wreath on your door and a rustic wooden sign. You can DIY one with stenciled lettering or buy one that says something like "Hello Fall" or "Harvest Time." Try adding small accessories like acorns or berries to your wreath for added texture and interest. A seasonal doormat with a fun fall message or design can add a subtle but festive touch to your porch. Look for something that complements your color scheme. It's a small change that makes a big impact every time someone steps onto your porch. If you enjoyed this video, I've got more fall decor ideas that you'll love. Check out this video in description where I show you how to create stunning DIY fall wreaths. Place a basket filled with cozy essentials like rolled up blankets, scarves, and a few pine cones next to your seating area. It's functional and adds to the cozy vibe. Consider adding a thermos of hot cider or a small pile of firewood for that extra autumn touch. Liked what you saw? You can find all the products I used in this video in the description below. Click the links to shop and get your porch fall ready in no time. And there you have it. With these tips, your porch will be the perfect spot to enjoy the crisp autumn air. Don't forget to take pictures and tag me in your fall porch decor posts. I can't wait to see what you create. If you love these ideas, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating tips. Happy decorating!